Hey, good morning. Felicia McCurry here with Nearly New Homes. I'm here today getting ready to tour property on a home that we placed an offer on. The seller countered, so it was a little bit, we're a good distance apart, but I wanted to tour the property and see if there's any room for negotiation, if there's something that I'm missing. And I also wanted to get your feedback. The home that we're looking at is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath right now. But it does have a basement. It has a room in the basement, and it also has, that could be turned into a bedroom, and it also has a bathroom that's been plumbed in. So we could change it from a 2-bedroom, 1-bath into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And so I kind of wanted to get your idea of what you think. Is it a good idea to have a bedroom in a basement? What do you think? A bedroom and a bath. So you've got 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on the main level, and then downstairs it would be 1 bedroom and a bath. And the laundry room is in that bathroom. So it's a split foyer type home. It was built in 2001, so it has great curb appeal. It does need a new roof, and it needs a new heat pump, and it needs new flooring. So I want to take you through and kind of give you an idea of what it looks like, and just feel free to give me your feedback and your ideas. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here's the house. Like I said, it had it's a split foyer, so it has that entryway, and then you come up and have a living room. Of course, we would do all new flooring. It has the laminate floor here. The tile is all cracked up here. This would be the dining room, and then it has a little galley kitchen. Cabinets are in great shape. Light fixtures could be updated for sure. Has newer window, or the original windows. It was built in 2001, so those are fine. It has the gold doorknobs, so we would update those. Do you guys like the oil brass or nickel better? This is the current upstairs bathroom. That definitely needs to be updated. The vanity could, a fresh coat of paint, and that would be really nice and cute. Flooring here, again, is in tough shape. We would probably do, on this one, we'd probably do just an engineered hardwood throughout, maybe carpet in the bedrooms. Do you like wood in your bedrooms or carpet? Then you go downstairs. And this is the room I really wanted to show you. Right now, it's kind of unfinished, or partially finished. No floors. And then, I don't even know how to turn the light on in here. Well, anyway, there's a place here for a vanity. There's your washer and dryer. And then it's plumbed in for your toilet and your shower. So the question that I would love to have some feedback is, would you care if you had 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on the main level, and then a bedroom and a bath in the basement level? Would that matter to you? So it would be a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. And what do you think it would be worth? It's about for 1,300 square feet. So give me your opinions, give me your thoughts, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.